Whenever you are applying to art fairs on Zapplication, you have to have your images configured according to their guidelines. So this is the type of image file that you're submitting as well as the size. So in this video, we're going to go over exactly what you need to do to comply with their guidelines, not mess up your image quality, and get into the shows. So this tutorial is going to be based on Photoshop, but if you don't have Photoshop, you can also use a website called Photopea. It works almost exactly like Photoshop, and you don't have to download anything like a computer program or anything like that. It's all website browser based. And although the features in Photopea are slightly scaled down from Photoshop because it is a free software, it will be very similar. So when you follow along in my tutorial, either through Photoshop or Photopea, you'll be able to use these methods in either program. First, I want to take a quick look here at the requirements on Zapplication. So the minimum image requirements are 1400 pixels on the longest side in either JPEG, JPG, TIFF, or PNG. I would suggest just to go ahead and submit them as a JPEG or a JPG, and you got to have it under 5 megabytes. Now the recommended requirements, this is what you really ideally should have, would be up to 1920 pixels on its longest side, but with all of the other things the same, and the resolution being 72 ppi to 300 ppi. Now don't let all of this stuff confuse you if it makes it seem overwhelming. I'm going to show you how to do this super easy. It's a no-fail method for doing this in Photoshop. So we have our image pulled up in Photoshop. Just open whatever artwork you're wanting to submit to Zapplication, and then go up here to File, Export, Export As. And then up here under the image quality, you can see there's a slider. I would go ahead and set this to number 6 because it's still high, but it doesn't have to be quite as high as your file that you're going to make art prints from. Next, we have the width and the height. You can see this is a vertical image, so the height is the longest size. So you can choose either to put 1400 pixels wide, or you can go up to the 1920 here, like they said. Personally, I do not like my artwork images to be floating around the internet because that's what they are. Once you upload them to Zapplication, the art fairs will have a hold of them, and they will use them for their promotional materials, like sharing on Facebook, Instagram, and all the things they do to promote their events. So if you're like me and you don't want an unwatermarked image just floating around there that's this big, because an image of this size can be used to make art prints very easily, I always submit mine at the smallest recommended size. I haven't noticed that this has stopped me from getting into shows or anything, but some people may want to submit their artwork at larger sizes if they're not as concerned with their art being stolen for prints off of the internet. But since my main business is selling art prints of my work, I want to try to stop that from happening. So that's why I do the smallest file size. Now you can ignore most of this. I always select my copyright and contact info because I have this programmed automatically in my metadata. If you don't have something in here, don't worry about that. You can just skip this for Zapplication. This thing here though that says color space, you want to make sure this box is ticked. It's automatically ticked when you turn this on. So just don't really touch anything here, but you want to make sure it says convert to sRGB. This will make sure that they are going to be seeing your image in the best possible way for web viewing. And then you go ahead and have this embed color profile ticked on here as well. These should automatically be selected. One last thing that you can check to make sure your image file is the right size, you can go over here on the left and you can see that it says in my image that it's 924.5 kilobytes. This is definitely under the 5 megabyte limit. So I'm ready to go. And at this point, all I do is click export, and then I save my image. And it really is as simple as that. You can just repeat this process as many times necessary for as many different images you are wanting to upload into your Zapplication portfolio. It's going to automatically downsize all of them to the 72 ppi, which is the optimal size for web viewing, which will allow your images to look the best when the jurors are looking at them on their computers and they're judging your images for the shows. Also, if you want to up your game and get into more art fairs, you need a really good art booth shot. The perfect photo of your booth really will set you apart from all of the other artists who are applying. I know this because ever since I made my booth shot better, I got into twice as many shows. So this is crucial. Check out this video. It gives you all my best tips on how to do this. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.